Hey folks, Amazon has opened its application for the Amazon Community Builder program, which offers technical resources, mentorship, and networking opportunities to AWS enthusiasts and emerging thought leaders who are passionate about sharing knowledge and connecting with the technical community. You can join our Telegram channel or check our Medium blog for more updates on active jobs, internships, and scholarships. You will get a chance to build relationships with AWS product team, AWS heroes, and AWS community. Throughout the program, subject matter experts will provide mentorship and share insights, including information about latest services as well as best practices for creating technical content, increasing reach, and sharing AWS knowledge across online and in-person communities. Only a limited number of people will be accepted every year in the program. You will also have a chance to get AWS promotional credits and other opportunities to connect with like-minded people. The applications for the program will be open until August 30 midnight, so make sure to apply through the link given in the description.